Protein is one of your body's main building blocks, and everyone needs it. In this video, I'm going to go through the critical signs that your body might be lacking in protein. So whether you experience fatigue, weight loss, or frequent illnesses, understanding these warning signals that your body may be giving you helps you to stay on top of your health. Watch the end of the video to work out how much protein you need and how to fix it. Why do you need protein? Protein has a key role in the structure and functions of your muscles, your skin, your enzymes, and your hormones. So you need protein to keep everything in your body ticking along and working the way it should be. Protein deficiency is when you're not getting enough protein to meet your body's needs. Whilst a true protein deficiency is not that common in the Western world, many people don't get enough in their diet. This can then impact almost all of your body's functions and lead to various health problems. Hair loss. Your hair can be a good reflection of your overall health. Protein deficiency could cause your hair to become brittle and more prone to breaking. This is because if you don't get enough protein, it may affect hair growth and structure, which could over time lead to a hair loss condition called. It's useful to remember that if you notice changes in your hair, then it's normally quite a significant deficiency. You don't normally get this very early on, so it's not that common. Muscle mass loss. The muscles in your body that help you to move and run and do all your daily activities are made of protein. When your body lacks sufficient protein, it can start to break down your muscles to get all of the protein that it needs. This over time could lead to muscle wasting. This is generally more commonly seen in older adults, but even if you have a moderate protein deficiency, it could lead to some muscle wasting. If you're trying to lose weight and you're putting yourself on a severe calorie restriction and you're not getting enough protein, your body will try to meet its needs by breaking down your muscle stores. So although you might lose weight, you'll generally lose a lot of muscle mass. Increased risk of fractures. Not getting enough protein can weaken your bones. Therefore, if you had a fall, you might be more likely to end up with a fracture. New research is still coming out on this topic, so watch this space as we get new evidence. Edema or puffy skin. Edema is a condition characterized by swollen or puffy skin. This is a classic symptom of a condition called. This happens when protein levels are low. When there's a lack of protein, fluid can build up in your tissues, leading to swelling, particularly in your hands or feet, ankles, and even your abdomen. This is thought to be down to a lack of protein called albumin. Skin changes. Protein deficiency can even show up on your skin. If your skin becomes dry, flaky, or even more prone to bruising, this could be a sign that you're deficient in protein. Protein is essential for maintaining your skin's elasticity and repairing your damaged cells. This again generally occurs when you have a severe protein deficiency. Here are some images here. Increased infections. Proteins are needed to support your immune system. With the protein, you can build up antibodies, which are the cells you need to fight off infections. More research is still being done on this area to notice the exact link between your immune system and protein intake, so watch this space. Increased appetite. Protein plays a key role in maintaining your appetite and is part of your total calorie intake. If you're not getting enough protein, your body thinks there's something going wrong and therefore can increase your appetite, encouraging you to try to get more protein or something to eat. This may lead to you eating more foods which are high in carbohydrate and fat. So how much protein do you need every day? Your daily protein requirements are dependent on your age, your gender, your activity levels, and your fitness goals. On average for a woman, it's around 46 grams a day, and for a man, it's around 52 to 56. If you want to do the calculations, it's about 0.8 per kg. However, if you're above the age 65, it's around 0.5 grams per kg. Research suggests that this is the minimum amount you need to prevent muscle loss and chronic conditions. If you're trying to gain muscle mass, the International Society of Sports Nutrition recommends 0.6 to 0.9 grams per pound. How do you fix low protein levels? The best way to fix low protein levels is to increase your protein intake. This includes fatty fish, lean meat, eggs, lentils, and vegetables. What are the main causes of protein deficiency? There are many different causes of protein deficiency, the most common being malnutrition, so not getting enough calories, pregnancy, eating disorders, liver disorders, kidney problems, and inflammatory bowel disease. If you notice you've got any of the signs I've mentioned in this video, some of the signs are for more advanced signs of protein deficiency. It's really important to see a doctor so we can rule out any serious conditions going on. Thank you for watching this video, and it really helps and supports my channel if you click the word subscribe. And if you write a comment, I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching.